Hey, what's up guys? In our last video we have seen how to create animation using motion in Figma, but today we're going to do it using AI. So I have just created this logo in Figma and I have opened the motion tab here and I'm just giving it a prompt, animate the logo. This is like my next YouTube channel which I'm launching for the kids. So this Little Lumos. I'll put that link in the description as well. So yeah, the prompt is very simple: animate the logo for the kids app splash screen. I'm not saying it for the YouTube channel because I just wanted to test it out. How does it looks? But yeah, so now it has taken all the elements. This is like Figma layers. I basically created an Illustrator and imported it in Figma as a SVG, and now you can see it has understanding the logo structure visually as well as the layers it has, and it will automatically create the best possible animation just with a simple prompt. No fancy thing, nothing tedious here. I have just switched to motion tab, clicked on ask agent, or you can open the agents from the left hand side navigation and just give it a prompt by selecting the layer, and that's it. So while it is generating the animation, make sure you already subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon as well so that you get notified for all our future uploads, and just let me know in the comments what else you want to explore in the AI in the field of UI UX design or specifically in Figma or animation. Just comment it down and we'll try our best to create videos on that topic. So it has creating the entrance animation, and you can definitely read all the thoughts which AI agent is going through doing on it, and you don't need to stay on this screen actively while it is creating the animation. You can just continue working on other things in Figma, and now you can see in couple of minutes, not even minutes, probably it took just like 1 minute and 48 seconds, and now you can see this animation. I'm just playing it and you can see this has created this nice looping logo animation. It has animated the eyes, the star itself, the typography, or the like each and every layer, and now you can see this has created this nice and beautiful logo animation. So yeah, that is as simple as create animations using Figma AI. Yeah, that's it. Till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.